Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your fish tank crystal clear. Start by performing a partial water change, removing about 1/4 of the tank's water. This helps eliminate suspended particles and excess nutrients. Next, clean the inside and outside of your tank glass to remove algae and water spots. Finally, inspect and clean your filter media, ensuring it's not clogged with debris. A properly sized filter is crucial for clear water. Make sure your filter's flow rate matches your tank volume. For extra clarity, add a fine polishing pad to your filter to capture tiny particles. Regularly test your water for ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate to ensure healthy levels, which also contributes to clarity. If cloudiness persists, a water clarifier can help by clumping microscopic particles, making them easier for your filter to catch. Activated carbon is excellent for removing yellowing and odors, improving overall water appearance. Don't forget to vacuum your substrate weekly to remove trapped fish waste and uneaten food. To maintain crystal clear water long-term, avoid overfeeding your fish, as excess food breaks down and clouds the water. Ensure your tank isn't overcrowded, as more fish mean more waste. Finally, establish a routine of small, consistent water changes, perhaps 10 to 15% weekly, for lasting clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.